Hi everybody, my name's Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. We are up in Lincoln, New Hampshire, where we are helping out our customer take care of a floor that didn't go so well. Take a look. Our customer gave us a call because they had installed an epoxy floor back in October, hadn't dried yet, so we had to go ahead, take care of everything for them. We need to make sure that all of the old uncured epoxy is picked up before we put down another floor. Once this floor is dried and cleaned, we can go ahead and put down our epoxy system to be sure that he can use his floor for the remainder of the summer. For this finish, our customer chose the Steamboat Flake, so that way it matches with the look that he's going for. Part of the reason why you want to hire a professional like the team at Granite State Epoxy is because we do it right the first time around. Come and check us out at granitestateepoxy.com.